To start off, we got the John Deere Signature Edition. So we got the new lights, LEDs, and the front independent suspension. We got more lights, of course. We got a cool new step. Then there's some buttons on the sides. And on the back we got a camera. So if you want to see the back, your implement. Now we go around to the steps where they have the electrical shut off. You can turn that on. And then they got a cool lights for at night. As you can see, they got the cool new fully adjustable steering wheel. You can pull it out, pull it back in, and then lock it in place. And then we got the foot pegs where you can put your feet, and then there's some over here. They also have a slide panel. I'm pretty sure this is in all 8Rs. And then they got the cool ergonomic controls, and then the 4600 monitor, and then the seat swivels to the left, and then I'm pretty sure 75 degrees to the right. With the John Deere Signature Edition, we get the cool touchscreen radio. We got a leather wrapped steering wheel, a leather wrapped seat, massaging, cooling, heating, and then fully electric chair, which moves forward, tilts, and stuff. Also, with the John Deere Signature Edition, you get a fridge. You also get a cool surround sound speakers. Anyways, guys, that was a full review of the 8R 230. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys later. Bye.